Hey, what's up? It's Matt with Mind Prepper. Hey, today I got a topic. It's about these new drones that they're using called Dragonfly drones, and they are drones that they're using to survey the people that have viruses, and they've deployed this in one state in Connecticut, and they're using it to see how well it works. And it flies around. It can detect if you're coughing. It can detect if you are sneezing. It can detect if you have a fever. It can detect if you have a high. It can detect your blood pressure. This thing is capable of so many things. They say they're not using facial recognition, but you can see the surveillance that's being taken up a level from all of this, and you can see where this could end up being and going to with this seems like a totalitarian more surveillance state that we are headed into. But check out what this guy has to say, and let's get to it.
The University of Southern Australia, who works closely with the Australian Department of Defence, has selected Dragonfly to integrate and commercialize its breakthrough detection technology. This technology can, from a distance, determine fever, which is much different than determining just temperature, cough detection, respiratory rate, heart rate, and blood pressure. So what this detection technology can do that's being exclusively integrated by Dragonfly is help establish a global early warning system for infectious and respiratory diseases. The Dragonfly team is responsible for integrating and commercializing this into camera networks, autonomous devices, and of course, drones.
So you can see with this SkyDragon the capabilities of it, and if you think that they're not going to use these for other reasons, then you would have to be in another planet, because the place we live in, they'll use this, and now they'll start using it to monitor people on a regular basis. They only have it set up in a couple of states that they're doing a trial, Connecticut, and there's one other country that's doing it. China's using drones too. They're using robotic drones that drive too also, and spray disinfectant. So this technology is capable of so much, and they can just fly around and detect if you're 6 feet apart, if you're close to a person. It is insane. It's literally nuts what these things are capable of, and it's just scary what they could use them for in the future. So I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention so you guys can see this. Once again, hey, hit that subscribe button if you haven't below. Much appreciated. Helps me grow this channel. Helps me just reach more people, and I really appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.